Wonderful lady. Good evening, friends. I'm Dr. Ajay Shah, and tonight I'm bringing a special live. I'm sitting down with my lovely wife, Jay Shri. So say hello to her, everybody.
Hello.
Um, Tonight, actually, we're going to talk a special new project which we're going to start from today. Uh, Let me give you some introduction. As you all know, I am a big proponent of healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle. There are six pillars of healthy lifestyle: nutrition, which that means what we eat and drink; exercise; sleep; stress management; substance abuse; and relationship. But out of all the six pillars, the most important pillar is nutrition. What we eat, what we drink. Again, nutrition is the most important pillar. And if I want this healthy lifestyle movement to go anywhere, I have to make sure that the nutrition among all our friends and followers is the best possible we can. Again, nutrition has to be the best possible pillar out of all the six pillars. All six pillars are important, but nutrition is the most important pillar. So where do we stand with nutrition in America? American diet, standard American diet, SAD, SAD, standard American diet, truly is a sad diet. We eat about 65% processed food. 25% of our calories come from animal products, including meat, dairy, and fish. And about 10% of calories come from plant-based food. And out of the 10% plant-based calories, matter of fact, 8% come from French fries, ketchup, and many of the processed plant-based food. We eat only about 2% of whole food plant-based diet in our daily calories as an American, which in my opinion is the reason many chronic disease, including obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease has gone up over the last 30 or 40 years. So again, we need to reverse that. That means we need to reverse the standard American diet to the healthy diet we used to have 100 years ago. So how can we do that? The solution is whole food plant-based diet. That means eating more vegetables and fruits, eating more raw vegetables, more cooked vegetables without oil or with minimum oil. Ideally, it should be no oil. Oil is absolutely not a requirement. Oil actually has a many side effects. So oil should be minimum or no oil with minimum sugar, minimum salt, and definitely not any processed plant food. So again, this is the cornerstone of the nutrition for most of us or all of us. Whole food, plant-based with no oil, low salt, and low sugar. Obviously, I don't want all of you to go vegan, which is not even possible for many people, but I want you to cut down your animal products, including meat, both the red meat and white meat, and fish and dairy products, particularly cheese, as much as possible. Ideally, animal products should be less than 10% of calories if you want to live long, if you want to live up to 90 or 100 and live very healthy up to 90 and 100. If you look at the blue zones, which are the zones in the world where people live up to 100, live very healthy, live very happy up to 100, typically their calories, only 10% come from animal products. So we need to cut our animal products. In America, almost every meal in a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, has some form of animal product. Breakfast, many people have processed meat like bacon, which obviously is a carcinogen that needs to be stopped. Lunch, many times we have a chicken sandwich that also includes an animal product. And dinner, many times we have a red meat or fish, and that's also an animal product. So again, we have animal product pretty much with every meal. Most blue zones and most healthy people, even in America, people who are healthy typically have animal products no more than 2 or 3 times a week out of 21 meals. So definitely we need to go towards whole food plant-based diet. That means more raw vegetables, more cooked vegetables without oil, just cooking based on water, not on oil. Uh, when you eat plant-based food, whole whole food, plant-based food, you get actually many micronutrients, many phytochemicals, and many antioxidants. And many times people say that vegetable food, whole food, plant-based food is not tasty, but we are going to prove it to you with Jayshree's help that whole food, plant-based food actually can be very tasty. And you will see it today when we show you what we made today. I definitely ask all of you to avoid processed food as much as possible. Processed food is the reason obesity has gone up, diabetes has gone up, pre-diabetes has gone up. Definitely cut down your sugar as much as possible. Definitely not have a soda or Pepsi or Coke, even not have even juice like an orange juice. Um, uh, we are going to be showing you how to cook every day. We'll be coming live at least 2-3 times a week, and eventually our goal is to come live as much as possible. Jayshree will fill you in what her plans are. She will be the leader in this project. I'll be just the supporter. She will be running the show. So please welcome Jayshree. She will be running the show. She will be giving her thoughts in a few minutes. Uh, we will be actually cooking dishes from all variety of ethnic background, including many Indian dish and many other dish, including Mexican, Italian, Chinese, Japanese. So we will definitely a variety of food. We will not be only cooking Indian food. We will have a easy methods. No, hopefully no more than half an hour to 1 hour to make. We will be showing you eventually how to do batch cooking so you can cook on the weekend in 3-4 hours for the whole week. Obviously, we ask you to eat every day fresh salad, which you can just buy it from any grocery store. You don't have to cook for it. And you can have vegetables cooked in a batch way over the weekend. So we will show you how to make healthy, whole food, plant-based food in a very simple way, very cost-effective way. Uh, uh, Let me have Jayshree start with her thoughts. She will be giving what she's planning to show us. She's been cooking whole food, plant-based food for many years, particularly for last 3 years. We have eliminated oil in our diet. She will tell you the whole detailed story for last 3 years. So here's Jayshree.
My name is Jayshree Shah, and I'm here to help you with the recipes. I'm going to try to post live Facebook recipes as much as I can. If you have any requests for any recipes or have any questions about any recipe I post, you can always ask in a comment section. My recipes are going to be healthy and nutritious. My recipes are totally without oil, minimum or no salt, and no sugar. I'm going to use herbs and spices. So basically you will not miss salt. There is going to be variety of all kind of foods, not only Indian. This recipe has helped my family tremendously. So our mission is to help as many people we can. For the appliances, basically I am going to use Instant Pot, air fryer, blender, and chopper. All my ingredients you can buy at grocery stores or on the Amazon. If you cannot find some ingredients at regular store, you can find at the health food store. Our goal is to make people healthy. I have noticed, diabetes, heart problems, high blood pressure is killing us and is really rising in the world. So we want to make everybody healthy. We believe in prevention. So prevention is the way to go. I'm going to work my hardest and try my best to cook and post healthy food recipes as much as I can. Thank you for all your support.
Let me show you what we made today. She will give you we were going to start eventually live cooking demos. But before we do that, today actually we made some dish, which hopefully you will like it. She will just show you the ingredients and pictures. But like I said, in the tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will be starting live cooking demos. So please stay tuned for that. So let's start with what we made today. So again, this is the food we made today. It took Jayshree about hour and a half to make it. Came out pretty good. We made it for 3 people. Our daughter is visiting, so we made for 3 people. And you can see how quickly she made it and how all the ingredients were used, which are very healthy ingredients. So let's start with the first dish.
So we make turmeric tofu with kale salad, and we really marinated tofu with garlic, jalapeno, coriander powder, turmeric powder, paprika, lemon, garam masala, cilantro. So we marinated for a couple hours. You can really marinate in the morning and use in the evening. That will be the best. And we made kale salad with sweet potatoes and corn. So what we did, we kind of put the sweet potatoes on the on the pan and let it toast on the pan, and then we add the corn. We boil the corn and then add it. And I put some salt, pepper, lemon, and then on kale, and we put it on the kale. So I think, and then we just stir the kale with it, and we ate that.
So this is our first dish. This was a turmeric tofu with kale salad. Obviously, you can see turmeric. Turmeric has a very many anti-inflammatory properties. Tofu will give you the protein. Kale will give you a lot of cruciferous vegetables and a lot of phytochemicals and antioxidants. We had a strawberry also to get our fruits in there. So again, it was one of the healthy dish. Probably this dish was about I would say 200 to 225 calories. So again, very healthy, very low calorie, tons of fiber, tons of fiber. Actually, every item on that plate has a fiber in there. Again, all of you, as you know, that animal products don't have any fiber, while plant-based food has all the fiber. So if you want fiber, you should eat plant-based food. You should watch my video on fiber. That fiber is such a critical nutrient we all should have. So again, this dish had a tons of fiber, tons of micronutrients, tons of phytochemicals, good amount of protein, and good amount of antioxidants. Great taste also, actually. I love the taste. It was a medium spicy, like an American taste. You can always make it spicier by putting more garam masala, more spices, or more black pepper, or you can make it less spicier. But definitely today it was a 2-hour taste, kind of a medium spicy. So let's go to the second dish, what we made.
We made antioxidant salad, which we use mango, red onions, jalapeno, lime, red wine vinegar, strawberries, cilantro, and bell pepper. And we chop it up and we mix it up, and we let it sit for a couple hours in the refrigerator, and then we use it. So again, this was an antioxidant salad, good amount of fruits or variety of fruit, almost like a rainbow fruit. We had some vinegar also. So again, we had a good taste, good amount of micronutrients, good phytochemicals, and a good antioxidant salad. And you can clearly see that it looks very healthy, lots of fiber, lots of great taste. Mango adds a great taste to it. So again, this was the 2 dish. 3 of us ate today. We probably ate about 350, 400 calories dinner, which is a pretty good, pretty conservative calories. Our dinners are becoming lighter and lighter. As we all know, our breakfast should be the largest meal of the day, and dinner should be the lightest meal. And if you can eat dinner before 6, 7 p.m., that's ideal. No late night dinners. But again, we had about 400, maybe 450 calories for our dinner, all 3 of us, myself, Jayshree, and our daughter. So you can see that this food did not take that long to make, very healthy, very cost effective, looks good, tastes good. So we will be doing this thing now on a live demos. So you'll be cooking with us in your kitchen, or you'll be watching it and then cooking yourself. We will make it very simple, very easy. Definitely not take more than half an hour to 1 hour on one dish. We are going live on June 13 with Chef AJ. So please stay tuned for that. Chef AJ is the very prominent vegan cook. She has like 90,000 followers. We'll be showing a 4 vegan dish with no oil, very minimum salt, minimum sugar. And you please stay tuned. Those will be the best dish that she's going to make, because about
5,000 people are going to watch it. So all of you join also. She has like 90,000 followers, and typically at least 5,000 people are watching live. So we are very excited about June 13, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. June 13, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Please stay tuned for Chef AJ June 13. Thank you. So again, let me conclude. Again, I'm very excited, very thankful to Jayshree for coming on board. She's been behind the screen in terms of this healthy lifestyle movement for last 3 years, particularly for last 6 months. But now she will be at the forefront. She'll be leading the nutrition pillar, which, like I said, is the most important pillar. So she'll be leading the nutrition pillar. She will be bringing a lot of live demos. She'll be posting a lot of recipes on our Facebook. She will be helping you to do grocery shopping if necessary. We will also have a live grocery shopping demo so you know what food and how to buy it. We will also have a live demo at a health food store so you also know how to get health food from a health food store. She will also one day do Amazon shopping to buy certain equipments like Instapot, other things. She will also have Amazon shopping to buy certain spices. She also has contact with some other companies where you can buy no salt spices. Chef Haji actually suggested us, and will be suggesting or recommending that too. We will also have a one-day Facebook Live on how to clean out your pantry to be healthy. We'll also have one-day Facebook Live on how to clean out your refrigerator to be healthy. Again, I'm stressing all this thing because nutrition, what we eat, what we drink, is the most important pillar. If you fix your nutrition, if you eat healthy, if you drink water, you have a good chance you will live long and you'll be very healthy. You will prevent many chronic disease. You will save a lot of money on healthcare costs. You will save a lot of suffering. And obviously, you will set a good example for your kids and for your grandkids. So again, nutrition, we are very excited. We'll start from today. You will be watching us live from tomorrow. Uh, if you have any comments or questions, always type in the Facebook. Jayshree is always going to be answering all those comments, questions. If you want to delete anything from the recipe, if you want to replace something, you can always replace it. Again, you can add low amount of animal products like meat or chicken or fish if you like in any recipes, but I highly recommend to keep your calories below 10% from animal products. Obviously, I don't want you to go vegan. We are ourselves vegan, but I know everybody cannot be vegan, but being mostly plant-based is the healthiest thing to do. So why not we all do it? We will help you, we will guide you. Um, let me uh, let me finish with where we are with our movement. We have now about 10,000, not now, we have now about 10,200 followers. We have 10,200 followers. On Instagram, we have about 2,500 followers. We are also on YouTube. We are also on Twitter. So our movement is growing thanks to all of you. Thanks to all the supporters. Thanks to Jayshree. Thanks to our kids. Thanks to Hannah, our social media manager. Please help us to improve this movement. We are all in together as a team. I learn from you. As I teach you, I also learn from you. Obviously, I take a lot of efforts to study every day. I take a lot of efforts to go live every day, look it up, make slides. So I definitely put my work into it. I want you to put your work into it by commenting, by liking our posts, if you obviously like it and if you have a comment. But at the same time, be active, be a participant, be a team player, and guide us so we can all grow, we all can be healthy. Uh, Also, Jayshree actually is very good at modifying dish. So if you see any recipe yourself, and if you want to modify it to a healthy level, just put the recipe on our Facebook page, and Jayshree will look at it. Jayshree will see how she can make it without oil or with a minimum oil, without salt or with spices, without sugar or with minimum sugar, without even any animal products. So Jayshree is very good at modifying the recipes. Matter of fact, she goes on YouTube and many times other recipe books, looks at the recipe, which many times is not as healthy, and she turns into a very healthy recipe. So Jayshree is very good at making any recipe into a healthy recipe, healthy dish. So don't hesitate to ask us your favorite recipe, how we can make healthy. So again, thank you for joining us today. We are very excited. Jayshree is very excited, and I will have Jayshree say a last word.
Thank you so much for all the support and all the love you all provided to my husband and me. Thank you again for everything.
Thank you.